All right, so I wanted to come here really quick and get this video out because I met with a friend earlier today and we kind of caught up. We haven't seen each other in a number of months. And in talking, she shared some information with me that I think can benefit a lot of people. Okay, so she's in marketing now and she's telling me that she's having a problem. So the problem she's having is that she's not getting any sales. She's not getting anywhere close to the income that she should be making in this business. She's not getting. She's just not getting that connection. She has all the information. She's not getting the connection. So I asked her, I said, so tell me some of the things you're doing. So what she told me is she's taking her link that they gave her. She's taking her link and she's putting it in all social media platforms. She's putting it in all different social media groups. She's inboxing people. She's telling people about it. She's doing all different types of things. But the thing is, she's just not getting any headway. She's getting some sales, but not close to the amount of sales she should be making, right? So I asked her, I said, so how's it going? She was like, well, I'm telling you, it's not going. It's not going. And I told her, I said, well, I can truly relate because when I first started out with marketing, I didn't know what I was doing. I joined this company and it had the potential of making however much, I can't even remember, but I never hit those numbers. And I was just really frustrated. And I told her too today, I said, well, it's been a while since I've talked to you, but your friend has been busy. Well, I have business partners now. My business partners are Larry, Will, Greg, Amanda, Jennifer, Sergio, Rod, Berkman, Latoya, and Desiree. Okay? And what we've done is we created a training course for marketers with this very same struggle because we were struggling marketers at one time too. Okay? And the training course is the number one business model, period. The number one marketing business model that you ever will find. Okay, so the name of our training course is the Invisible Affiliate Marketing Model. Okay, so you're going to learn how to dominate any niche that you're in online. You're going to learn how to dominate that. You're going to master digital marketing, I'm telling you. So we have 3 very important steps that are connected into our system. And once you implement the information that we have in there for you, you're going to be catapulted from wherever you are in the income part of your industry and to be placed then on the commission map. Now, I know you're probably like, well, what is a commission map? Because she was like, what did you talk about? What is a commission map? I told her, I said, well, the commission map is where people in the company that you're in, those are the people who actually made the leaderboard. And if you're able to make the leaderboard, then basically you're making no less than 5 figures residual income every month. Okay, so let me hop off of here right quick and I want to share with you what I shared with her. Let me jump on a screen share. I'll see you in just a minute. Okay, here we go. All right, so what I wanted to do is share with you the same information I shared with my friend earlier. Okay, as I stated, my business partners and I, we've created the number one internet marketing business model, and the name of that business model we've created is the Invisible Affiliate Marketing System. Okay, the Visible Affiliate Marketing System is a training course that we've created for our struggling marketers who actually are not getting anywhere close to the income and just are not getting as much traffic, as much leverage, basically, since they've been inside their business, okay, and they're really struggling. Okay, so I shared this with my friend and she truly saw the benefit inside of it, and I'm sharing it with you as well. All right, so there are 3 very important steps that are part of this system, okay? Now, I call these steps power moves because this system you created is going to give you the power to move from wherever you are inside your business to a completely different direction. And that direction is definitely where you want to be, okay? All right, so let's just get right into it. So, like I stated, there are 3 very powerful steps. Now, the first step that you're going to learn when going through our system is how to create a high converting offer. Okay, now if you're not sure what a high converting offer is, a high converting offer is where you're creating powerful content that actually leaves your audience extremely curious about what it is that you have. Okay, so by creating this, you're actually gaining the leverage of getting people who are very, very curious about what it is that you have. Okay, and you'll learn that here in step 1. All right, so moving on into step 2. Step 2, you're going to learn how to create a powerful lead magnet.
Now, if you're not sure what a lead magnet is, a lead magnet is actually bait, okay? So say, for instance, if you have a marketer who has something to promote and he's offering a free ebook, a free webinar, anything of that nature, where once you click on those free things that he has available, his link, his link is embedded inside of those, okay? So once you click on there, that's how he gains you as a customer. And we're going to show you in step 2 how to create your own powerful lead magnet. Okay? All right, so moving on into step 3. Inside of step 3, you're going to learn how to create a powerful product on the back end of your product that you're actually promoting. And this product is going to be constantly upselling on the back end for you. You're actually going to start gaining leverage. You're actually going to start getting some income inside of this while you're actually learning our system and as you're going through our system, okay? This is a one-time thing. Once it's set up for you, there's nothing else you need to do. It's constantly running on the back end for you. And like I said, it's constantly upselling your customers for you, okay? So, you see that this system that we've created is a benefit for you. What you need to do is go to the description box of this video. In there, you're going to find the links. Click on the links, enter your information, get your system, start going through our system, implement things that you've learned, and I'm telling you, you are definitely going to change your outcome of your marketing business, and you're going to change your income of your marketing business.